There's no getting around it. A successful harvest depends on the right seeding technology. If anything is lacking, plant protection and harvesting systems won't be able to realize their full potential. No matter how you look at it, it all starts with superior drilling technology. That's something successful farmers find only at Lemken. The factors that make Lemken the leader in drilling technology are easy to identify but difficult to imitate. Precise sowing depth through parallelogram-mounted double-disc coulters. Exact metering of seed. Maintenance-free, computer-assisted, high-end technology. Simply being faster and simpler is not enough. All factors must be working together in fine-tuned precision before shifting into high gear. Lemken's Easytronic control system helps farmers achieve this goal. This easy-to-use technology optimizes the performance of the Saphir 7 and Solitaire 8 seed drills. Easytronic controls and monitors tramline function, calculates hectare performance per field, and makes an array of other functions and performance data available. For example, Easytronic simplifies 100-meter calibration for precise hectare calculation. This is done by marking the start and end positions on a 100-meter stretch of land. Press the calibration key at the start position, and we're off. The calibration key is pressed again upon reaching the end position. The distance covered by the land wheel is also calculated. This value can vary from the 100-meter distance due to soil conditions and wheel slip. Custom-tailored fine-tuning that always pays off, forming a solid foundation for precisely calculating the seed rate. Now, Easytronic carries out a sample calibration. This is done by removing the terminal and connecting it near the calibration crank. Here, the display is easier to read and operate during calibration, making the entire process more convenient. To determine the seed rate, first, the exact 1,000 seed weight in grams is entered. Then the seeding rate in seeds per cubic meter. And finally, the percentage of germination capacity. This allows Easytronic to automatically calculate the seed rate per hectare. Before beginning, it's important to see that the gearbox is set properly according to the seeding chart, and that the seed metering units have been filled. Now press Start, and the calibration process can begin. As soon as the hopper is filled to 2/3, the calibration key is pressed once again. The expected calibration weight appears on the display. Now, the seed is weighed in order to compare the calculated weight with the amount of seed in the calibration trough. Thus, the actual seed rate per hectare is determined. If this hectare weight does not meet specifications, then Easytronic will recommend a new value for the gearbox setting. Once the finely adjustable gearbox has been reset, the second calibration sample can begin. Perfect! The seeding shaft drive system has now been set precisely. Off we go into the field. As work proceeds, the hectare capacity can also be recalled using this measurement data. Hectare performance per field, day or year, with or without tramline area. The tramline key calls up the menu for setting tramline control. Here, the working width of the plant protection spraying device is entered. Easytronic automatically determines the appropriate tramline method. On the display, the first value represents the current driving line. Next to it, the tramline rhythm setting is shown. Of course, successful results with the Saphir 7 and Solitaire 8 mechanical seed drills are possible without Easytronic. Nevertheless, the onboard computer is part of the basic package because it handles a wide range of key functions to make drilling easier, more convenient, and more reliable. When all is said and done, Lemken drilling technology with Easytronic makes drilling far more precise. Uniform field emergence proves that. Thanks to Easytronic, LEMKEN seed drills can adapt more skillfully to specific field conditions. And that is the key to achieving higher yield.